Today's book with Miss Kim is Curious George, The Boat Show. Adaptation by Kate O'Sullivan, based on the TV series Teleplay, and written by Raye Lankford. It was a beautiful day, and George was curious. He was curious about all the boats on the river. George liked one boat best of all. It was carrying cars. "That's a ferry boat," said the man with the yellow hat. George liked to boat watch, but he was eager to get to the lake. If he was lucky, he might see another ferry boat. At the lake, there were lots of people. They were watching the model boat contest. There were boats of all kinds. Bill showed George his model sailboat. George thought it was wonderful. "Oh, I have lots of money to build this boat," Bill said. "Will you keep it safe until the contest?" Hmm. George was happy to help. He held the boat very carefully. He looked at the boat. Then he looked at his toy cars. Hmm. George had an idea. George made Bill's boat look just like a ferry boat. Oh, oh no, it sank. What would Bill enter into the contest now? George tried to make another boat for Bill out of his toys. It sank too. George saw that some of the toys floated. Hmm. So he had a better idea. George looked at the other boats on the river and he made plans to build a boat from his floating toys. Bill would be proud. When Bill came back, he saw the new boat. "That is a great ferry boat," Bill said. Then George showed Bill what had happened to the sailboat. "Uh-oh," Bill said. "I forgot to shut the boat's windows. I'll fix that." Now water can't get inside and the boat will float. Hey, let's go into our boats in the contest. Everyone won a blue ribbon for all their hard work. Even George.